Alright, I'm going to show you how you can change the number of rotation slides to be less than 4. So maybe you only want to do 2 rotations on a day or 3 rotations in a day. So you just need to add a shape and drag it to be the size of whatever rotation you want to block. And then you'll change the color of the shape to be white and then the border to be transparent or white. And it covers it up really nicely. And then you can drag it to cover up more slide or more of the rotations if you'd like. And then just copy and paste that shape to the other slides. Then you can go and copy and paste the icons that you've had for maybe another day and add your timer. So here's the timer that you can add and what it looks like. And then you can add the rotations and the group names by just copying and pasting them. And don't forget to remove the edit group names here if you already have them typed up and you're copying and pasting them. And then paste those to each of the remaining slides. And this is kind of what it looks like all together. You can play the timer in the corner and then it goes back and forth between the 2 rotations. And then you can add a cleanup timer and just paste it after each of those. And then delete any of the remaining pages in the template that you don't want to use. And this is what it looks like all together now with the cleanup timer. And the second rotation, and you can play the timer there and the cleanup timer.